Now we discuss here how to show whether a given function is bijective or not. Now what is the bijective function? The function which is both 1 1 and both 1 2. Okay, then it is bijective function. Otherwise it doesn't satisfy that is bijective function. Now I am giving you example by taking some questions. For example, we have a function fx is equal to x square plus 1. And we have to find whether this function is bijective or not. Firstly, we have to show whether a function is 1 1 or not. So, for every x1, x2 belongs to R, if we have to show f x1 is equal to f x2, then it is 1 1. Now substituting, we get x1 square plus 1. In place of x, we write x1 square and here x2 square plus 1. Ultimately, 1 and 1 get cancelled and we left over with x1 square is equal to x2 square. So when we solve it for x, what we get? We get x1 is equal to plus minus x2. That means, what does it mean? For every value of x2, let it be x2 is equal to 1, then value of x may be plus 1, may be minus 1. So from here, we conclude that x1 is not equal to x2 if fx1 is equal to fx2. So it is not 1 1. So it is not 1 1. That means if both the functions, we equate both the functions equal and we don't get x1 is equal to x2, then that function is not 1 1. When this function is not 1 1, then there is no need to prove whether is it onto or not. So it is not bijective. This function is not bijective. Now I am going to explain you another question in which we find out whether that function is bijective or not. Before explaining that, I want to say that I don't know whether on which platform you are listening to me. If you want to connect with my institute online classes and want to see some more educational videos, then you can download the app Sonika Anand Academy from the Google Play Store. From there, you can join our institute directly and take online coaching classes from there. You can also take one-to-one classes from there. Okay, now the next question. For example, we have fx is equal to x cube and we find out whether this function is bijective or not. For a function bijective or not, the function must be 1 1 and function must be onto. If it satisfies both the conditions, then this function is bijective. Okay, so let it be for 1 1, fx1 is equal to fx2. Okay, for every x1, x2 belongs to the function R. So we substitute the values, we get x1 cube is equal to x2 cube. Now when we solve, we get x1 is equal to x2. So here in this condition, we got, if we take fx1 is equal to fx2 and we ultimately got x1 is equal to x2. So this function is 1 1. Okay. Now we should find out whether this function is onto or not. So for onto, we take y is equal to x cube where y belongs to R. Okay. So when we find out x is equal to y to the power 1 by 3. That means for every y belongs to R, there is unique value of x. That means we are able to find the inverse of the function. So this function is also onto function. So overall, this function is fx is equal to x cube is bijective. In this way, you can solve and you can find out whether a function is 1, 1 or on 2. Thank you.